Canva AI Image Generator 2024 Full Guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Canva's new AI image generator, how we're going to use it, and how we can integrate it into new recurring different designs, okay? So to start things off, what we're going to be doing is first of all, we're going to come over to canva.com. So I'm going to be showing you how you can, generate images using AI and then how you can implement it into actual designs. Okay. So to start things off, what we are going to do is we're going to come over here to apps. Now, once you go to apps, from here, what's going to happen is you're going to come down here and you're going to click on AI powered. Now, once you click on AI powered, you get tons and tons of generators. You get Dolly, you get Imagine, and all of these different types of things. Now, the best ones are Magic Media and Dolly, so it depends on whichever you want to use. I would suggest going with the Magic Media because obviously that's Canva's very own Magic AI generator, but I'm also going to use Dolly just to give you an idea on how both of these work, okay? So to start things off, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open this up. Okay, and I'm going to open this up in a new design. I'm going to open up a new design and let's give it some Instagram post radius. So once we do that, I'm going to come to Magic Media as well, just to, get a basic idea on a new design. So again, I'm going to come here, Instagram post. So here we have two Magic AI image generators, Dolly and, Magic Media. So they both work very, similarly. All you're going to need to do is you're going to need to put in a prompt. Now, when it comes to Magic Media, you can use images and you can create videos. It uses Runway to create videos. It's experimental right now, and you have 5 credits, okay? Even in this, you have 50 credits. So basically, after using these 50 credits on photos and 5 credits on videos, you're going to have to, buy Canva Pro. Without that, you won't be able to use it. Dolly, on the other hand, only gives you 3 credits. After that, you have to buy Canva Pro, and that is how you're going to be using Dolly. So I'm going to be using these credits for you guys today and, showing you the full capability of the stuff. So first of all, you have styles and aspect ratio. Which aspect ratio do you want this in? I'm going to keep it in square so it fits well. And then we have styles. So you have photography styles, you have digital art styles, and then you have fine art styles. So let's first of all go with this. I'm going to go with some vibrant styling. And from vibrant styling, it says describe the image that you want and we will generate it for you. You can also, by the way, try an example where it tells you this stuff. The dim lit room with people eating at a table, 18th century. But I'm going to, take that off and I'm going to write my own prompt. So I'm going to go ahead and write 5 people standing on a hill, camera hand at their backs, and obviously we're 5 people standing on a hill, camera panned at their backs, and obviously we're gonna go ahead and add landscape, retro, sunny, city life in front of them, Cadillac beside them. Okay, so that's a very hefty, prompt. So let's go ahead and generate that. Let's see what it gives us, and you know, let's see where it takes us from. So we're just gonna wait for it to generate, and I'm gonna bring it back to you. So as you can see on the left-hand side, now you have your prompts generated. So you have 4 prompts: this, and this. Now you can see the vibrant vibe from it. It looks pretty cool, right? So I'm gonna bring this one over here just to see how it looks. And look at that. And now if we increase its size, that's the best part about creating an image through AI. You never lose its quality as like even if you make it big. So look at that. City in the bag, it seems retro, gives a very vibrant vibe. Now obviously the faces of the people aren't the greatest. Now the reason for that is because AI doesn't really capture a real life person's face very well. But yeah, you get the main vibe of it and you get 4 variants of it. Plus, you can also change its style from the style section. So let's say I want it to be neon and I'm going to click on generate it again. So let's say you're trying to make a collage, okay? So just gonna keep it like this, and I'm just gonna increase its size a bit. There we go. So now you can pretty easily create a collage with the other pictures as well. So look at that. It started creating these retro images. So I'm gonna add this one over here, and look at how cool that looks. Like this is the type of stuff that Canva is good at creating. So I'm just gonna match it over here, and look at that. So now we have a very retro and cool vibe going on. Then let's go with some concept art. And while we're at this, let's also go ahead and discuss Dolly, okay? So in Dolly, you do the same thing, but in this there's no style. You're just going to enter your prompt and they're going to give it to you. So, let's go ahead and write retro image of so I'm going to write retro image of a metal band performing at Woodstock. Woodstock is this performance venue, so I'm just going to go ahead and generate this. All that is being generated. Look at that. So now it's created a concept art, and that looks really nice. It looks really cool. I'm just going to add it to my design, make it smaller. There we go. And obviously, you're just going to wait for the quality to settle in. It takes a few seconds to load in. And there we go. Now the quality settled in. And finally, what we're going to do is let's change it to Filmic as well. Let's say I want a Filmic font. And while that is going on, look at this. Dall-E has created this for us. Now, Dall-E basically gives you the most realistic pictures, in my opinion. Like after Midjourney and Stable Diffusion, obviously Dolly will give you very realistic pictures. So look at this. It actually looks like a band poster. Again, the faces, don't go on them because, it's AI. AI is not the greatest at faces, but you get the retro vibe. And this is actually Woodstock. Woodstock stage did look like this. It's a metal band performing and, pretty cool stuff. And finally, we're over here. We get the filmic vibe. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to add it right here, make it smaller. There we go. And yeah, there we are. So you can see we made this 4 picture collage through AI. We made it through Magic AI. We made it through the Magic Pictures that we just used. And I'm simply going to go ahead and download this. And then you have this as well. And you're going to see that the image quality of these is absolutely out of this world. So yeah, that is how you're going to be using the image AI in Canva. So I hope that was, fun to watch for you. If it was, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. Thank you for watching and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye. Ultimate Canva AI Talking Avatar Text to Video. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make Canva AI Talking Avatar Text to Video in the easiest way. So for this, what you're going to want to do is you're going to click on Create a Design. And once you click on Create a Design, what you're going to do from here is you are going to go and search up video. So once you search up video, what you're going to want to do from here is just go on any recurring design. So let's say we're going to come on this video design over here. Now, this should be a good 1920 by 1080 design for a talking video. So to, actually get an AI talking avatar, you're going to want to go to a website like D-ID. Okay, d-id.com is one of the greatest websites where you can go ahead and create a graphical user interface and you can actually create a talking AI, as you can see. So you're going to sign up with your d-id section over here. Okay, get your talking avatar. Now, once you get your talking avatar, you're going to upload it over here. So let's say this is your video for talking avatar, right? Now to do text to video, okay? To do actual text to video on this, what you're going to do is you are going to be using the actual video features that Canva brings you, okay? You're going to get a lot of AI tools. So you're going to use the Canva AI tools, and for that, you are going to want to use this magic switch, okay? And in this magic switch, you're going to get Canva Pro. So once you get Canva Pro, you're going to do translate, and what that will do is it will obviously give you textings due to all the language that you're going to get. So get your avatar from D-ID, get your text AI from your Canva, and you're good to go. So that's how you're going to make Canva AI text to video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all of you next time. Goodbye. Canva AI image generator. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be quickly generating things for you from Canva AI. So to do Canva AI image generation, you're going to come to canva.com/AI-image-generator. And here you're also going to want to make sure that you have Canva Pro. Okay. So once you have Canva Pro, it says Magic Media. You're going to click on use an existing design. Okay. You're going to go to any project of yours, or you can obviously use it in a new design as well. So I'm going to go with custom size, or you can, use any recurring size that you have. Let's say I'm going to go with Instagram story. Now over here, we're going to wait for things to load in. And once things load in for us, what we are going to want to do from here is we're going to add, actual prompts in it. So let's say I'm going to write toy car driving and actual car, pretty random prompt. But we're gonna, click on enter, and it's gonna load us our prompts in really quickly. So you're just gonna want to go ahead and add those prompts for yourself. So let's wait for it to load in. And obviously it's gonna take a few seconds, but there you go. So now it's loaded, and look at the quality of these images. So, it's gonna create qualities like these, and these looks pretty nice. So that's how you're gonna use this. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.
Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use AI image generator inside the Canva app. In the previous videos we went through animation apps, we went through Dalio, we went through Magic Studio. You want to make sure you watch these videos guys so you understand how to use these apps, what kind of results we got. In this example over here guys, I'm gonna go through Imagen. So this is essentially based on AI software coming from Google. Very interesting. I have a huge hopes about this. I read good things about it, so let's jump in. The first thing that you want to choose is, are you going to create something from scratch like we are planning to do, or you have existing project in Canva app that you can import and start working on it. In our case, we're going to choose a brand new project, and we're going to create, I would say something nice photo wallpaper. This sounds cool. Okay, so as you can see over here, turn your text into photorealistic AI, a beautiful oil painting of Bergen. You see what are the results. So let's dive into the prompt itself. Create a painting of Monte Carlo during the winter. Let's see what we're going to get guys. So Google Imagen will simply give you only two variations. Dalio will give you two variations. The Magic Studio will give you 4 variations. So the result content does not meet our policy. What is the policy? I don't know. Oil painting of Monaco. Another try. We didn't use any brand, right guys? We just used the name of the city, Monte Carlo. They thought we're probably talking about the casino Monte Carlo. Okay guys, we do have some results over here. Wow, look at this one. Let me type for you. So you can always make these pictures larger by simply dragging the corners. I don't like the ratio of the template, right? We have to move it on the side so you'll be able to see, but I think it's so pretty guys. It's so beautiful. Do you see all the details of Monte Carlo? It's beautiful. All the marina and everything. Just think about now if you have like some of these crazy printers that can print like the actual materials, right? They can print with particular like a pronounced design that it could be like you can touch the whole difference in the buildings, right? It's amazing. This is how you can use Imagen from Google guys. I think this is my second favorite. The first one still remains to be Magic Studio from Canva AI. For more videos like this guys, subscribe and like this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva AI image generator inside the Canva apps. You want to come over here and you want to select the AI powered apps. So everything that is essentially related to AI and will help you to create something crazy, okay? So I made plenty of videos on Magic media, and their avatars here you can utilize as well. But today I'm gonna show you this anime style. Okay, anime style simply creates this otaku type expert of like a character. It's very very cool. So for example, if you wanna use a new design and you wanna create a logo, right? You wanna create a very very particular logo. So in this example over here, as you can see, you can create something like this, which is very very cool, right? So you come over here and describe the anime that you wanna create. In our case, it will be a polar bear wearing hoodie and jeans and walking in New York City. Boom. Let's see how good is it. We tried to create something similar in Dali, didn't work well. Dali is not so good for real and very uh, I would say images that has to do away from the comics and has to do away from the creativity. Not so creative. So in this example over here, we got what? We got someone, okay, this is the anime walking in the city of New York cities. Okay, the cities look cool. Anime it's not so cool, but I think we can actually adjust the anime. Right, by simply coming over here, as you can see, you can swipe through different apps. Uh, what I think, guys, is that we can actually recreate this by simply add more animation, because essentially we're looking for something that is very very attached to people who love this anime character. They're watching this anime like movies, series, so you want to make sure that these people are interacting, because like I said, if you are into something like this, now look the additional image that we created, right? So if you want more animation, you can have images like this. And the crazy part is that every single character will be different. So you can create like a comics book with like multiple different characters, and this is with single prompt. The main issue I see so far is that they are very very like similar, I would say, at least the faces and the shapes. If that's not concern you, right, you can utilize the app. So far I said Magic Studio is my favorite app. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use DALI image generator inside the Canva app. It's a little different. We did couple of videos prior, we made couple of examples and case studies. If you're curious, you can see our results. We create a brand image, we create couple of prototypes for products, so you can check out these videos as well. In today's video, guys, I'm gonna show you how to create something different. So the first thing, you want to come over here at canva.com and you want to click on apps. Then you want to go over and find DALI. So how you going to go over here about simply choosing creating something from scratch like we're going to do over here, or using an existing design. If you already had certain projects in Canva, you can simply import them here. Let's click on use a completely new design. And in this example over here, guys, we are going to create Instagram story, and this Instagram story will be different simply because we're going to utilize something that no one expects to see. Remember, Instagram stories are usually something that you have experienced or something that you saw on the street somewhere. It's extraordinary, it's right here right now happening. Okay, so we're going to set a command, create a story image where person walks in the jungle and sees a giant monkey. Make it look like it's a selfie taken image. Pretty complicated script, pretty complicated prompt. Let's see what are the results. The main difference is that Dalio will only give you two variations of the actual creation. While if you use a Magic Studio here on Canva, you're going to get four. And I think this is hilarious. Okay, so I think people will be clicking on the second one most likely. It's not perfect, it's not amazing. I honestly like more Magic Studio AI. I have made plenty of videos on it. You can guys check it out and see what we actually get out of it. That it's okay, it's not perfect. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use DALI inside the Canva AI image generator. Okay, very easy guys, very simple. In this particular example we are going to create a brand new design, and for this particular case we're going to create an Instagram post. We're going to use these default settings for the square post that Canva created in advance, and then we're going to come over here and see what are the examples recommended from DALI itself when we're actually crafting our prompt. In the previous video I showed you how you can create a prototype for potential future product. We did get a good results, not amazing ones, but now we might be able to get you something even cooler. So first thing we are going to request is to create anime character for promoting headphones in the, I would say at the Times Square, New York City. Let's see what we're going to have, because a lot of the people will be using some of these creatives to run ads, right? You can create a creative around your brand. Let's say for example you're drop shipping particular item, or you have white label item for selling, right? You want to make sure that you run ads that are wicked, that somebody will click on them. And as you can see over here, I think both look like cool in some way, so definitely people will be clicking on both of them. So if you click on the second one, and if I actually make it larger, you would see how cool it is, right? I'm just gonna snap the logo underneath, and people will buy like thousands of pairs of the headphones, which is so cool. Of course the headphones should look like the ones that she's wearing. But as you saw, in just couple of seconds, just couple of prompts, we created this amazing creative. This is something that will grab attention, engage with people, people will click on it, and hopefully people will click on the link for your product. This is how simple it is to use DALI, guys, to generate Instagram posts. For more videos like this, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use DALI inside the Canva app. Very easy, very simple. The first step of course will be to log in into your Canva account, and then you have to go to Discover Apps section. When you come over here, guys, you want to click on the filter on the top over here, and you want to filter all the apps with the AI powered. So this will help you to see all the current apps that are using AI and they're producing content based on the AI. So in this example, I'm going to use DALI. We made probably 15 different videos yesterday on Magic Studio from AI image generator from Canva. So guys, you want to make sure that you check these videos as well. Let's jump into DALI. Let's click on it. The way how DALI works inside Canva is that you will have the option to edit already pre-made content, picture, video, or you essentially can create a brand new design over here. For this example, I am going to click new design. So guys, we're going to create a logo with DALI. Okay, so if you didn't use DALI prior, DALI is a little different. If you if you use the other AI tools, because DALI over here doesn't have any additional filters. So everything what you type in the prompt will be what you're going to get. With Magic Studio, we had an option where you choose the style. Is it going to be animation? Is it going to be vintage look like? So it's like a different styles, different designs. Also, you have an option to change the aspect ratio with Magic Studio. Here, it's pretty random, but the results sometimes are amazing. So in this video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can create something cool. So we're gonna ask DALI to create uh, an electric scooter, okay, based on Tesla, based on Tesla's car design, okay. And also we are going to see make it as realistic as possible for product prototype. Boom, let's generate and let's see what results we're going to get. With DALI, we're going to get only two variations of the prompt in terms of content. With Magic Studio, you're going to get 4 each time. Also, the credits that you're going to get with DALI are much less versus the credits you're going to get with Magic Media. So now, as you can see over here, we can still change the results by simply adding more inside our prompt as a text, but we can click on the image itself and we can essentially drag the edges so we can make it larger from one side to the other. The good thing that is, because it's generated from AI, it is not going to reduce the quality of the actual image. It's not like the usual JPEGs. Okay, so now if I zoom out, guys, you will see that yeah, it is not perfect, it is not amazing. I would say it looks futuristic, but definitely not what I was expecting. I think probably if we did a little more description, and probably if we had a little more context towards the prototype, probably we could have a better results. But essentially, guys, this is how you are going to use the whole DALI with Canva, and this is how you can utilize the prompts. Learn from my mistakes and make even better content, guys. For more videos like this, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use AI image generator on Canva. Very easy, guys, very simple. The first thing I want to do is come over here at the canva.com. You want to stay on the home page, and when you're over here you want to click on the upper left side of the screen where you see the 3 straight lines. This will launch additional menu, and then you're going to click on the apps. Then you want to click on discover apps. So you want to make sure you browse all the apps over here. So the first thing that we're going to focus is we're going to actually look for the Canva's own proprietary technology app, which will be Magic Media. So in this example, we are going to utilize Magic Media. This is the first icon over here. In this example, we are going to use the AI image generator of Canva's AI. We are going to create a brand new design, and as you can see over here, you have a pre-made templates for anything that you want to create. So for example, if you want to create a story, if you want to create a logo, if you want to create an email newsletter, presentation, anything is here, guys. So for example, if you want to create Instagram post, you have the square option over here. In our example, we're going to create a logo. And the way how this actually works is that when you come over here, you have to type a particular prompt. When you type the prompt, you also have to choose underneath the style of the prompt. So in our example, we are going to create New York city in the space with flying cars and what else, and like connecting roads in the space to other planets. Okay guys, so we pick this one and we're going to select our style. You can just pick something else, right? You don't have to be some of these styles, but you can collect all of these styles. These styles will change the way how the image actually looks like after it's generated. I don't like any of it. You can also have the option see all, so you can pick more styles, but I want to see how the city will look like without the actual filter on top. So as you can see now, the AI generates the image based on our prompt. Usually works pretty fast. As you can see now, we're having the first image already generated, and it looks very cool. The second one, oh look at, yeah, I think this is very nice. So if you click on the image itself, you will see the best thing about AI is that even if you adjust the size of it, right, it's still going to look very cool. It's not gonna reduce the quality as the usual JPEG that you will have. I want you to remember this. Now if you click on the upper side, you can essentially copy, you can paste elements on top of it like a usual Canva project. Remember, this is something that will find its shape and its form, right? So this is how you change the current aspect ratio, and then you can essentially go back, or you can create another file over here and create a mockup for let's say a collage, right? Let's go back and let's see how the other images actually look, because the main idea was that when you actually utilize Canva Magic media, right, this is just one tool. Remember, it is very important for you to know exactly what you want to create and to input as many details as possible. The more details you input inside the prompt, the better the output and the results will be. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.